Hi, this is Henry Fu from DataON. Today, I will provide you with an overview of the network ports and cabling for the Kepler 2-node 2U series. DataON's K2N 2U series consists of two S2D 5200 series servers. These servers use high bandwidth, low latency RDMA Ethernet connections to communicate directly with each other without a switch, as I will show you later. Each of these servers are 2U high with support for 2 CPUs and 1.5 terabytes of memory. Their main differences are in the number of supported drive bays and the number of available PCIe slots. Let's take a look at the network ports on the K2N 2U series. I will start with the onboard ports. First, we have the dedicated baseboard management controller port for out-of-band management. This is an RJ45 port that allows you to access the server's hardware via browser even when the base operating system is not running. Next, we have two RJ45 10 gigabit Ethernet ports for north-south client and management access. This is typically for access to your domain controller, client application access, and RDP to the servers for management. Finally, we have four SFP28 RDMA ports on two PCIe adapters for north-south and east-west traffic. These ports provide high bandwidth, low latency connections between the nodes to handle cluster storage data, cluster heartbeats, live migration services, as well as available ports for north-south traffic using SFP Plus or SFP28 form factor. In case you're not familiar, SFP28 has the same form factor as SFP Plus. With an SFP28 capable network card and cable, the network can run at 25 gigabits instead of 10 gigabits. Now let's take a look at the cabling for each type of port. First, we will illustrate two customer network switches that have both RJ45 and SFP Plus ports. For the BMC, we will run Cat6 cables from the dedicated BMC port to the switches. For the 10 gigabit RJ45 ports, we will connect those to the switches for north-south traffic. They should be teamed using switch-embedded teaming for high availability. Alternatively, you can use two of the SFP28 ports for north-south traffic. Finally, for every deployment, we will connect the two SFP28 ports from each server to the corresponding ports on the other server for redundancy and high throughput. Each connection will be on a separate subnet per Microsoft's best practice. To put it all together, I will now show the full connections diagram with the two options for north-south traffic on K2N 2U series. Here's the first one with RJ45 ports for north-south. Here's the diagram with SFP28 ports for north-south. For more information about the Kepler 2-node 2U series, visit our website at dataonstorage.com.